Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm continuing to decorate my home for Christmas, and today I will be tackling the kitchen. But before we can get started into the decorating, we need to clean the kitchen. I also have some groceries that I'm going to be putting away, and I need to take out the trash and then clean the trash can. But let's jump in and get things done so we can get to the fun stuff. And so if you're ready, I'm going to put on some Christmas music. I put on a video with Christmas music that day just to get myself in the mood. So hopefully you're motivated to get some decorating done for Christmas as you watch this video. Okay, so I made myself a cup of coffee to get some extra energy. We have cleaned the kitchen, taken out the trash, stocked things up, and now we can get to the fun stuff. So I'm going to start at the top of my cabinets. I always like to decorate up here. And so I'm going to start with the lights first, and then I put the blanket of snow over top of it. Eventually I end up changing that and put the lights on top of the snow because my husband didn't think that it was bright enough or that you could really see it. So, and I have to agree with him. And that's the way decorating goes, you know, it's kind of trial and error. I think I've said this before. Every time I go to decorate, it takes me a long time. So it's not as easy as what it looks like when YouTubers can make it look so simple. I think they probably do it all once, take it all down, and then refilm or film it by redoing it, if that makes sense. Anyway, you're getting the real thing here. This is how it goes for me. So I bought these houses at Hobby Lobby and they were 50% off. So regularly they were $8 and I got them for $4 each. And then I have these bottle brushes that I had picked up at the Dollar Tree that I'm going to continue the theme that I've been going with throughout the living room and the entryway, just keeping it more of that rustic neutral colors. And then when I was doing this, I realized that I wanted to carry it all the way through. So my daughter was out shopping that day, so I texted her and asked her to run to Hobby Lobby to pick up some more of these houses for me so that I could get them, you know, all the way down the cabinets. So she was gracious enough to pick those up for me and drop them off. While we're waiting for my daughter to bring the houses for me to finish the other side, I decided to jump over to the cabinets above where my stove is. And this side I kind of put like a baking theme over here, and unfortunately the rolling pin I have will not fit up there. You'll see me kind of struggling And at the same time, my hair kept getting stuck in the popcorn ceiling, which I hate popcorn ceilings, but anyway. So throughout the video, my hair will probably be an absolute mess. But here I'm just putting a cutting board up there with some of my wooden spoons. Those are just wooden spoons that I use to decorate with. They used to be up there before, and I'm just putting them back. So here's how this side turned out. I love this little sign, Mrs. Claus Christmas Bakery, always fresh. And then I put a little vignette over there and a Christmas tree. So I thought that turned out really cute. That's a smaller section of cabinet, so not a whole lot to put up there. And I kind of like it that way. I'm trying to keep things a little bit more minimal. And okay, so now we're moving on to the next day. I never got back to finishing what I was working on yesterday. So now we're going to do this area above the refrigerator. And so when I took the baskets off, I realized how dirty it was. So we're just going to clean this up real quick. I didn't film it, but when I went to put the lights up on this side, I didn't have any way to really run the extension cord. So I was going to drill a hole down through the top of the cabinet and then bring the cord in underneath the other cabinets. Hard to explain, but anyway, so I had to get a spade and drill a hole, but then the spade was too long when it was connected to the drill, so then I had to pull the refrigerator out, which also led to me cleaning that as well.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I'm going to use more of this red ribbon. I really love this ribbon, and just go around and add some little touches here and there. I added this little wreath. I got this at Hobby Lobby as well. And then I'm going to add some red ribbon to it. But you'll see in the end I kind of turned it around and then had the ribbon hanging from the bottom. But I think it just adds just enough little touch to make it festive. But bringing a little bit of red in helps as well.
As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And now here's how everything turned out. I really, really love it. I love these houses that I put up there. I kind of like the gingerbread, but since I'm not going to go out and invest in all gingerbread houses and stuff, I thought this was a good alternative, and I think it turned out really well. So I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and I hope that you will stick around to see what I have coming up next, which will be the master bedroom, and then I have some other little touches. I need to do the guest room, bathroom, and the front porch. But gosh, I feel like I'm running behind, and I know it's not even December 1st yet, so I shouldn't be panicking yet. But I think because everyone else has been decorating since probably September, yeah, I feel like I just need to get it done so that I can enjoy it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Shine on, Christmas star, shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around, now that everything is gold. The children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one